there. So, look, this is my plan. Like you said, take this bolt out right here. This bolt. Take the one out. Take both the thingies out because I just disconnected it from the steering column. So in theory, once I take off the tie rods, that should just slide down and be out the way. We could either slide up, slide down, so we could get these two bolts back here up.
Yeah, I know.
So that way, we just have to worry about
This.
aligning, taking apart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then the engine is gonna be in the air.
I'm gonna say jack up the engine. Just take out that bolt.
Because look, if we jack up the engine, we still got a solid mount here. Take out tie rods. It's out.
Finally, we got it.
There you go. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, we're good there. Okay, we're good. Good there. Good there. Good. So now this is when we. I'm gonna move the jack, right?
Move it.
All right. So now you should be able to slide.
Can you move the jack forward?
I think that's forward it goes.
It's hidden right here.
There you go. And
Right?
one in there.
There.
Right. 1, 2.
Go in.
No, go on. Hold on. Spin it this way.
Take out the jack. Take out the jack. Take out the jack.
Hold on. I got you. Let me tighten this shit real quick. All right, so we pretty much got it done. Mounts are in. It's just a matter of tightening everything up. Big
We're
thanks,
almost done.
big thanks to Kevin.
For the tools, you're welcome.
That shit was pretty easy compared to the single cam that we did. I feel like the single cam was a lot harder than this for some reason.
Yes, sir.
But no, this one is a lot easier. I'm not gonna say it's easier, but we got it done. We're done. Bye.
So as you can see, the clutch is in here. it's in there.
I promise you it's in there.
It's in there. I hope it's in there.
I know it's in there.
I hope everything's tight in there. So when it starts up, nothing goes flying. I know it's a flywheel, but it's not supposed to fly. It's not supposed to fly like in the fucking transmission.
Nah, that shit'll fucking rip through the casing.